Everybody, this is Vibha. Thank you for clicking on this video. Now this video is going to be a very interesting story time about a girl with whom I was friends for 3 years and she turned out to be a fake friend, and that was actually sort of my first ever experience with a fake friend. It was the first time, and honestly I'm very glad to say it, but till now it is probably the only time I have ever experienced a fake friendship. So I thought that I should get it out there so people don't do the same mistakes I did. So let us begin. While narrating the story, I would not be naming the actual real people because till now I have not seen a single YouTuber do that. So instead I'm gonna give them fake names. So this story starts during lockdown time. After lockdown was over and the school were reopening after 2 whole years, I was pretty nervous कि यार school खोल रहे हैं, पता नहीं मेरे friends बनेंगे या नहीं बनेंगे and everything, and I was pretty nervous about it. The first day I entered in the building and I sat in my class, I was just sitting and I was observing everyone कि कौन क्या कर रहा है, because उस time पे now I'm a huge extrovert. Now I can talk to people because I feel confident with myself. But उस time पे it wasn't so easy, right? So I was just sitting and then a girl was sitting behind me and she taps me and I'm like, hi. And she says, hi, तू वो Snapchat वाली विभा है ना? And I had no idea what she meant, but I was just like, विभा तो मैं हूँ ही. So I was like, हाँ. कहती, oh hi, I am. And then she told me then she told me her name. Let's name her Rose because she's as beautiful as a rose. Okay. So she was like, hi, मेरा नाम रोज है. And then it clicked to me कि हाँ, रोज ने मुझे स्नैपचैट पे एक फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट भेजी थी जिसको मैंने एक्सेप्ट करा था. So I was like, okay, at least there is one person that I know. So I knew her a little bit. I just knew कि वो मेरी क्लास में. I didn't even pay attention to her name, to be very honest, but I was like, okay, there is someone out there who wants to talk to me, who wants to be my friend. So me and Rose, we talked for some time. We became quite good friends. But जैसे जैसे class 7th आगे बढ़ी, Rose went into a completely different friend group and I went into a completely different friend group. मेरे friend group की, you can say, the main character, like the main person I was like best friends with for I don't know a month. Her name, let's name her Daisy. Okay. So I was best friends with Daisy for like a month, but to be honest, it wasn't the real best friend kind of friendship. It's just that yeah, we hung out with each other most of the time क्योंकि वो भी school में new आई थी, and I was a little comfortable to spend time with someone who was just as lost as me in the school, right? So I was in Daisy's friend group and Rose was in another completely different friend group. अब थोड़ा थोड़ा 7th क्लास आगे बढ़ती है. फास्ट फॉरवर्ड टू अप्रैल में, अराउंड अप्रैल एंडिंग या मई स्टार्ट के अराउंड की बात थी. माई फ्रेंड ग्रुप स्टार्टेड हैविंग क्लैशेस. वी फॉट ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डे. थिंग्स वर फॉलिंग अपार्ट. Things were going wrong. And I don't clearly remember what the topic was, but I do know that things weren't good. And I remember in a games period while we were on the ground, me and Daisy had a huge fight. It was our falling apart fight. The day we declared that no, we're not best friends. So now me and Daisy were having a fight and we were all screaming at each other and everything. And I simply just said ki you're not my best friend. Rose is my best friend. And Rose was standing there like, what? When the hell did this happen? But yeah, that was the day I officially, at least from my point of view, I became best friends with Rose on that particular day. Now, me and Rose, we hung out together and she's amazing. But Rose, she had a different friend group, and that friend group included another girl. Let's name her Cactus because I don't like cactuses. So, Cactus and Rose were best friends pehle se. I was a new entry, right? So it took me a little time to get adjusted to Cactus because whenever I used to hang out with Rose, Cactus was also almost always there because they were best friends first, right? Now I knew Cactus a little bit from back in fourth grade. I didn't really like her, to be very honest. At the very beginning, I did not used to like her that much, and it wasn't because she did anything, but mostly because our personalities were quite opposite. बट स्टिल आई वॉन्टेड टू कैक्टस आफ्टर सम टाइम, इवन तो हमारी लड़ाइयाँ होती थी, काफ़ी लड़ाइयाँ होती थी, बट इट्स ओके. लड़ाइयाँ ऑलमोस्ट हर फ्रेंडशिप में होती हैं. आज भी मेरे फ्रेंड्स के साथ मेरी लड़ाइयाँ होती रहती है. सो या दैट इज आई गेस नॉर्मल. बट it took me a few months, but I warmed up to Cactus. I was like, yeah, she's fine. And then me, Cactus, and Rose, we formed a trio together. And any girl would know that trios 99% of the time do not work out. But still we made a trio together. And in that trio, I was the third wheel because Cactus and Rose वो पहले से दोस्त थे मैं बाद में आई थी, so I was the third wheel. If there is a bench जहाँ पे only दो लोग बैठ सकते हैं, I was the one who used to sit in behind and these two used to sit together. And Rose, she tried her best not to make me feel left out, but honestly I did feel like that most of the time. But anyways, that's not the point. The point is that me and Cactus, we formed a beautiful bond as well. I used to tell her everything, every single thing going on in my life, every drama, every tea, every gossip, everything, right? And same goes with Rose. And we used to talk so much. Like in the entire class, it was like, okay, Vibha, Rose, and Cactus. Vibha, Rose, Cactus. Vibha, Rose, Cactus. Everybody knew that we were in a trio. Even during lunch breaks, we used to sit like दो लोगों की bench होती थी, but we used to like snuggle and sit together during lunch as well. It was pretty good. Me and Cactus used to talk a lot on phones. Basically, Cactus knew every single thing about me. I did not hide anything from her. I used to tell her everything, right? And same goes with Rose. And our trio was so beautiful. I'm not even kidding. It's like I didn't even want any other friends other than them. I used to think, okay, I have Cactus and Rose. That's it, enough for me. And it was like the first ever real friendship I built was with Cactus and Rose. Now, fast forward to the ending of seventh grade. Me and Cactus had a huge fight. One thing about Cactus is that she is a very straightforward person, brutally straightforward person. If you don't look good in a dress, she would directly be like, "You're ugly." She would say it to the face. She is brutally honest, and that used to hurt my feelings quite a lot. I am a very sensitive person. So, something regarding that, we had like a big fight, and then we were standing in the school assembly, and there were like a lot of people there, practically the entire school, all the teachers, all the students. We do prayer and everything there. So had that horrible fight, and then I was just standing with Rose, and Cactus dragged Rose away, and she was like, "हमें इससे बात करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है." And that hurt my feelings so much because Cactus was my best friend, okay, like bestie, like number one. And her behaving that way with me, it just, I was feeling so bad. I was standing on the assembly, and I'm not even kidding, my tears were kept in my eyes, like they were right here. I was just trying to absorb them back in because I did not want to embarrass myself, but they were kept right here, and I was just trying so hard, like, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, and I'm just standing there all alone. Now I'm assuming that when Cactus dragged Rose away, then Rose ने उसे समझाया होगा that she should not have done all of that. Rose came back to me, and Rose was like, "Vibha, are you okay?" And the moment she asked that, I broke down. I sat on my knees and I'm crying and I'm like, "Ah." And everybody was staring at me. Like, till the next month, even people used to come up to me and be like, "Vibha, tu us din क्यों रोई थी? Vibha, उस दिन क्या हुआ था?" People used to tease me about it. I got names like over dramatic, overreacting, पता नहीं क्या क्या मुझे बुलाते रहते हैं अभी भी. तो इट वॉज प्रिटी बैड, एंड मैंने कैक्टस का नाम नहीं लिया था जब मुझसे टीचर्स वगैरह ने पूछा था क्या हुआ. आई जस्ट मेड अप अ लाई ऑन हाउ मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, एंड देन आई वॉज फेड अ फीवर मेडिसिन फॉर सम रीजन, एंड इट वॉज रियली बैड. So me and from that point onwards, I did not, I had this a bit apprehensive feeling about Cactus. But when 8th grade started, Cactus heavily apologized to me. Like a lot, like a lot. Like she apologized to me so much, and because she said that she really, really hated the fact that I wasn't able to fully forget the incident, and that I wasn't able to fully forgive her. And she apologized so much, so much, so much that I did end up forgiving her, and I just said it's fine, and yeah, it was okay. And then in 8th grade, we made so many memories because one thing about Cactus was I could really be myself around her. Like, she never made me feel dumb or anything. I could really, we made so many memories. We laughed together, we even cried together, we did so much. And even Rose was there. Me, Rose, Cactus. Me, Rose, and Cactus. The whole class saw us as friendship goals. Like, if there was a problem with any one of us, the other two would be such a strong support system. That was a kind of trio, even though I was still a big third wheel, and we did have some fights time to time regarding that, but like 90% of the times we were very happy together. And during the end of eighth grade, around the ending, December, November around, I used to go to Cactus's place. We used to have like these deep conversations on her terrace. We used to listen to music. We used to vibe on it. Like half of the songs I listened to are the ones which she recommended to me. So that was great. I really, really, really loved her and Rose so much. But when eighth grade was about to end, she started to act weird, like mostly against Rose. Now, hear me out. I was neither an extrovert nor an introvert back then. Now I am an extrovert, but back then I was not. Cactus was a huge introvert, okay? She hated people, she despised people. But Rose, she was a big extrovert, okay? She had a lot of friends. Now, Cactus did not like this fact about Rose, and she used to feel like a bit weird when Rose used to like talk to other people and stuff. So she started to tell me that stuff like Rose doesn't care about us and Rose only cares about her other friends. हम ऐसे ही है time pass and I don't know what not. And she used to feed me all of this nonsense against Rose. Now initially I used to defend Rose in front of her. I used to say कि Rose's extrovertness is a part of her. If he wants to be friends with her, then we need to accept that part of her as well. I did defend her initially. But over the course of the next 2 months, every single day, she used to just talk bad about Rose, talk bad about Rose, and talk bad about Rose. कि Rose ऐसी है, Rose वैसी है. And from my point of view, if you think when your own best friend, a person you trust with all of your heart, is telling you every single day कि ये इंसान बुरा है, ये इंसान बुरा है, ये इंसान बुरा है, then at some point there is a sense of doubt in mind. ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए because Rose was my best friend too, but still there was a little bit of doubt in my mind against Rose. And after some time I started to like believe Cactus that yes, Rose was not a good friend. And I actually I got manipulated. In easy words, I got manipulated, and it was bad. And when eighth grade ended, so did our trio. Me and Cactus, we ghosted Rose. We stopped talking to her. We completely excluded her out of our friendship. Rose was heavily, heavily devastated. She tried to sort things out with us, but I was in like Cactus's manipulation, and for some reason, she did not like Rose. So yeah, our trio broke. Now, when ninth grade started, classes shuffled. Okay, everybody went into different sections. I was in the same section as Rose, but Cactus was in a different section now. Now, so that I was in a new section, Rose had already gotten new friends because she was an extrovert. उसके नए दोस्त बन गए. Me, on the other hand, I did not make any new friends in my new class. Instead, I was completely dependent on Cactus. Every single day, I would like wait for the lunch break. Lunch break, I would run to meet Cactus. I'm not even kidding. I used to count minutes. Okay, these many minutes left until I met Cactus. I used to do that. And during lunch break, we would meet, and it would be a great time of the day, right? And honestly, in class, I used to miss Rose a lot. On calls, I remember once I had like this 3 hour call with Cactus in which I was whining about how much I miss Rose so much. But well, Cactus told me to just get over it. Now I hadn't found any new friends. Rose had found. Now Cactus in her other section, she also found new friends. So I was the only one now dependent on Cactus. Cactus saw me as the bonus friends. Okay. And the worst part is, you remember Daisy, that girl I was initially best friends with in seventh grade? Cactus started hanging out with Daisy, but at the same time, Cactus used to talk shit about Daisy in front of me. वो मेरे सामने डेजी से बुराई करेगी, फिर उसी डेजी के साथ जाके हैंग आउट करेगी. So that was like really bad and really toxic and weird. And I used to think, why would she do that? Because Cactus was the most straightforward person I knew. As I said, she was brutally honest. I never really saw this side of her in which she's like talking good in front of Daisy's face, but behind Daisy's back, she's talking bad about her. So that was pretty bad. And honestly, I really wanted to spend time with Cactus, but Cactus did not feel the same way because she got other friends. But I decided it's fine. I would be accepting. I would be okay with it. But to be very honest, it did not work out. And me and Cactus started having fights regarding this issue. And once we had like such a bad one, I went to Rose. I apologized to Rose. I said I was wrong. I was manipulated. And it was really bad of me to not believe Rose when I was supposed to. and I am very very thankful to God. Rose actually did ended up forgiving me, and she gave me a second chance. I will forever be grateful for it. I am still best friends with Rose to this day. But on the other hand, Cactus, it all went downhill. I just felt like really weird of her getting new friends while I didn't, right? And she did not used to spend much time with me now, as much as she did before. So, but when I asked Cactus about it, she heavily assured me. She said, Vibha, you will always be my number one person. Don't worry about it. You will always be my best friend. डेजी वो तो ऐसे ही है, डेजी के साथ तो बस मैं घूम लेती हूँ यार, क्योंकि वो मेरी क्लास में, बट आई डोंट लाइक डेजी, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. आई एम ओनली विद डेजी बिकॉज ऑफ हर ड्रामास, बिकॉज शी इज फन टू बी अराउंड, बट आई डोंट रियली लाइक डेजी. शी यूज्ड टू से स्टफ लाइक दैट टू मी, एंड या आई बिलीव्ड हर until October 2024. October in ninth grade. Okay, this is very bad to think about. She ghosted me. She blocked me on Snapchat. She stopped talking to me. I went to her in school. I asked her what happened, what did I do, what did I do. She said nothing. She also said previously that she wanted space, but when I gave her that space, she just never came back, and she completely ghosted me. I went to her class. I asked her, what's wrong? Did I do something wrong? Tell me. I will improve myself. I will. But she did not tell me anything. She just completely cut me off for no reason. I went to her friends. I went to Daisy. I asked her, ki, why is Cactus not talking to me? Did she mention something? But Daisy said that she didn't mention anything. And I really, really, I used to like beg Cactus to at least let me know what I did, but she did not even do that. And it was bad. And I was in a very horrible phase of my life. Rose was there for me, thankfully, and Rose actually said that she had saw this coming. I don't know what to say to that. But yes, October 2024, I got ghosted by Cactus. Now, December 2024, that is 3 months after, I actually caught Cactus in the middle of the staircase, and I started crying, like literally crying in front of her. And I was like, what has happened to us, our friendship, and this and that, and blah, and blah. And then she tells me, Vibha, the reason I ghosted you was because I had too many things going on in my life. I was not at all happy with that explanation, but I was like, fine. And we did begin talking, but no, it did not work out. And she just ended up ghosting me again. So now that she had completely cut me off, I was left confused, wondering what I did. And honestly, it was so bad. I don't even, I doubted myself so much. I ruined my self esteem. I ruined my confidence. People used to ask me कि उसका क्या हुआ, तू उससे ब्रेक में मिलने जाती थी. अरे, she used to love my sandwiches. I used to keep myself hungry, but I would always keep a single piece of sandwich for her. Like, मुझे भूख लग रही है, मैं नहीं खाऊंगी, ये वाली sandwich तो cactus के लिए ही है. I used to do that. I had even saved her name as sandwich on my phone at one point. But yeah, when she ghosted me, I was in a pretty dark phase. I went to her so many times, but she did not even once bother to have a mature and proper conversation. 10th grade came up. I became best friends with Rose. I saw Rose's diary entries of that time when our trio had broken, and it like shattered my heart into a million pieces because her diary entries showed me how much I and Cactus genuinely hurt her. So bad, so bad. Now, 10th grade proceeded. I used to see Cactus almost every day at school, and Cactus hung out with the same people she used to talk shit about. So it was pretty bad. And in 10th grade, I even, texted her something on Snapchat ki, if you ever need me, I'm still here. I still believe in our friendship. She ignored it, and yeah, I was blocked again. She did unblock me for some time, by the way, and that's when I texted her, but she blocked me again. उसका ही चलता रहता है, वो unblock करती है, वो block करती है, unblock करती है, block करती है. I don't even know. And since that, I have never talked to her. So the thing is, I break my best friendship with another girl for her, and she only ends up ghosting me. I would say one of my biggest regrets of life is doing what I did with Rose. It was pretty bad. I'm sorry, Rose. I'm so sorry, Rose. It is my fault. I get it. And I would say, even till I would say the last month, I wasn't able to fully accept the fact that Cactus is wrong. I always used to think कि मैंने ही कुछ करा होगा. I would have done a mistake which I wouldn't have realized. मैंने कुछ करा होगा मुझे नहीं पता. And you know my friends currently they were all trying to explain to me कि विभा let's assume कि मैंने कोई गलती करी भी है. She could have at least talked it out, but she did not even do that, and it is pretty bad. And yeah, one more thing. Once I was crying in school because I was having the worst, most terrible day of my life, and वो हंस कर गई थी. She was laughing when I was crying. My current present day best friend saw that. I have five best friends, and one of them saw her laugh at me while I was crying. So yeah, it is pretty bad, but I would say I have kept her completely in the past, and I focus on appreciating the friends I have right now. I got one fake friend, but at the same time, I got like 10 amazing gem of people. I'm not even kidding. My current best friends are so amazing. They're angels. They're the best people on this planet. I do not need people like Cactus anymore. I am more confident with myself ever since Cactus has ghosted me. I am more happy. I have found a new definition of friendship with other people. My standards of friendship have risen ever since I have made new best friends who actually love me for who I am and who I'm damn sure will not ghost me like Cactus did. So if you're dealing with a scenario like this right now in your life, if you're dealing with any fake friend, let me tell you, you should be happy with yourself. You should be confident with yourself. You want people, but you don't need people. Please keep that in mind. You don't need anybody. You only need yourself. So yeah, that is good. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, comment, do whatever every single YouTuber tells you to do if you found this story interesting or if it helped you in any sort of way. And bye bye. Love you guys.